Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Donny British, man. And man, I'm on my lunch break. So I'm gonna go deal with some stuff, man. And that being said, man, I wanted to check in with you guys, man. Give you guys an update because I told you guys, man, seatbelts are so fucking uncomfortable, man. Why the hell is my car complaining? It was like my car knew I was taking off my seatbelt. It was like, hey, stop it. But anyway, freaking interesting. Did my car know I was toying with my seatbelt? The hell was that about? Interesting. But anyway, man, I told you guys that I had some news coming up, so I wanted to drop the news on you guys. So the news is that I started a new business, and I filed my LLC. Which is now, bruh, wait up, goddamn minute. Oh, my seatbelt isn't tightened. Bro. Let me see something right here. Don't tell me my mother loving. Is it possible your rainbows? Yeah, rainbow. My vehicle can't tell that the belt is latched. The fuck? Bro. The fuck is going on right now? Like, the shit is locked. See? Oh, my dumbass. Lola is in the freaking seat. So that's why it's going off. Now, let's see something. Lola, why don't you have on your seatbelt right now? Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Yeah. Now it's saying the seatbelt is on. Because I was like, man, what the fuck? Hey, Lola ain't, yeah, she ain't feeling that seatbelt shit. She is not feeling that shit. You feeling that shit, Beans? she ain't fucking with that shit. She's like, fuck that. But anyway, man. That's cool, Beans. But anyway, LLC. So I have my LLC. Oh, man. There's like a pig over my neighbor property. I wish I could show you guys. But anyway, man, LLC. I have a LLC now for my new micro business, right? So I filed it. So it's completed. I got an EIN number. Which is a employer identification number that you can use to get a bank account for your company. And the guy was, it's so funny. There's a bunch of tips or a bunch of things that you can benefit from having an LLC. So this is my first LLC. I've never had an LLC prior. So the guy was letting me know that, for example, the guy was letting me know that I can put money, whatever money I like, into my business account, and it wouldn't be taxable because I would put it in as a owner's contribution.
You can do whatever you want. You can pay yourself as high as 6,000, as low as 0. Pay yourself not is you're not going to be taxed on it when you pay yourself. So it doesn't matter how much you pay yourself, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, doesn't matter. You're not going to be taxed.
Okay. So when do you set aside, or how do you gauge setting aside taxes for the IRS?
Oh, that is a fantastic question. That's where I'm heading at right now.
Okay.
How can you be taxed? You're not going to be taxed when you pay yourself because you will be taxed based on whatever remain after all deductions run off. So that's the net income that you're going to be taxed as well. So although that's your money, the $6,000 remaining, but you know, your new best friend want to get their cut no matter what, you know?
Right.
Want to get a piece of the pie.
Right.
So, you know, just give them, let them give the hit, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. Just separate at least probably 20-25%, just a cool amount to make them happy.
Okay. So always just set aside 25. Okay. That's a good average.
Nobody can avoid death and taxes. That's what they always say. You know, Uncle Sam.
That is factual. You can't avoid. Yeah, that is factual. So it's not taxable, but it goes into the business account. And then he was showing, he was explaining to me that for you to basically separate yourself as a personal persona from a business is by basically creating or establishing a bank account, so a business account with your business. So basically your EIN number should have its own account tied to it, whether it's an account for merchant services, payroll, whatever. And then so that was cool information. Another thing he told me about was he's like, everything is a write-off, but you have to make sure whatever you're writing off, it's to the business. So you can't just go freaking buy, like you can't just go to dinner and just write it off if it's a personal dinner. No. I know a lot of you guys out there with businesses go to dinner and just call it meetings, and of course the IRS can't prove that it wasn't a meeting. So yeah, I know there's a whole, but you know, I'm not here to teach anyone tricks. I'm just here to tell you how to establish, or how I'm established. I'm not even here to tell you what to do, man. You do what the fuck you want to do. I'm just here to tell you what I'm fucking up to. You know what I mean? So I'm fucking up to starting businesses and shit. So my LLC, why I started my LLC is because I am now in the process of making my own merch. So I'll have Britz Farm merch. Who is me? Everybody ask. Who is it? Yeah. Who is me? Yeah, man. Donny British, driving Audis, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks on feet like a London street. You know see, 400 pound OG, ship it from the west, delivered in the east. Everywhere me go, you know me, I'm associated to me and the whole Britz concept that I've created. So what it is, it's basically, you know how you would have Fat Farm, the clothing brand, you have Britz Farm, the fashion brand. That's what it is. So for starters, I'll be kicking off with like hoodies and stuff, and I have some sample hoodies right now that I'm testing the quality. So far I don't like the print. I ain't gonna even lie to you guys. I don't goddamn like the print. I don't like the print of that one, so I'm gonna find another place to get some sample from. But the hoodie that they gave me was pretty solid, because the hoodie, man, I did like work in the goddamn hoodie. Like I'm in the fields lifting bags, moving dirt, just doing all that stuff, and that hoodie, and it was white too. I mean, you know, it's gonna get the typical dirt and all that, but just the quality of the hoodie, it just didn't like turn into a lint ball. You know how when you have hoodies you start seeing these little lint balls coming up? That's how your hoodies start deteriorating. Yeah, it wasn't like that for me. So, you know, I was kind of happy about that. But the print sucks, and I won't lie. The print looked like the hoodies were, like I had the hoodies and was wearing them for a while now. So, you know, I just avoided, like I'm just avoiding going with that establishment, because it doesn't seem like there's a option to freaking upgrade the quality or pay for better quality. However, I want to bring the business to someone local, so I'm also going to look for a local place. There's a local embroidery place around. I might have to hop in and go see what they got going on, see if we can establish something. You know, I'm all about my business, you know, so We can establish something and make it work, man. Make it work. And soon you guys will be able to cop the hoodies, man. And I tell you this from now, I have the best logo in the whole game. I don't care who out there is already established. I don't care who you think is fire. And I mean, props to them and props to their brand. And I'm sure they have big money behind them and all that thing. But I just know that I'm bringing fire. And my fire is not for everybody. My fire is for the secret few. And my fire is for the selective few too. You know, secret few mean that you're not really, I'm very introverted. So, you know, you're not really. Beans, you hot? You hot? Oh man, I gotta turn down Beans' side of the seat. Let me turn on some cool seat for you. Hold on, let me turn on some cool seat for you, girl. There you go. You got your cool seat on, and I set your side to 60. You should be all right in a bit. Damn, Beans hot. How the hell you hot, bruh? I'm not hot. But anyway, man. Yeah, so, you know, I mean, I just feel like I got the dopest shit. I just feel like that's what I got, you know. Shout out to the guy who it's a company out in, I think, Indonesia. I commissioned them. I think it's Indonesia they're based. But the guy's English is really good. Like, it was amazing. And then, so I commissioned them. So that's great. So right now I'm in the process of, I have the logos and everything. So now I'm in the process of trademarking the logo. So I'm about to commission that. I haven't commissioned it yet. So, you know, I'm in the process. And then, yeah, that will be one venture, you know. And then I have another venture coming as well. That venture is gonna be more hands-on, more. That won't be a clothing venture. That will be a real estate venture. So that one is coming up. That one takes a bit of a more effort. So that one won't be progressing as rapidly as like the getting an LLC established and getting a print shop behind you and getting marketing and getting your product out there on a website. The real estate business is more, I'm looking to buy, man, I can't really get into the details as yet, you know. Why the fuck would you park your car here out of everywhere? That's odd. But yeah, so basically, you know, that's what I got going on, man. That's the big news, and just hope for the best, man. Hope for the best. It's a new learning process for me. I'm no expert in the field of having my own business like that. You know, I've ran my own business before, but it's more of an internet company, and it's more of me providing service versus providing a product and having customer review. And if there's like customer disgruntled, you have to tolerate it and satisfy the customer, you know. So it's a whole different ball game for me, you know, and trying to give a customer 100% satisfaction every time on the dime, you know. That's what I strive for, the best quality, you know, because me, when I buy a product, I want no issues, and when I buy a product, I want the best. So I figured that, you know, I want to bring that to market, and I also want to bring luxury to regular folks. Like I want to be able to sell a hoodie for like $60, $80, and it's almost the same quality as a Burberry fucking hoodie. You know, it might not be the goddamn same quality, because obviously Burberry be spending way more money on their material. But I want it to be at least if Burberry is 100, I want my product to be 90. It has to be like a 10% gap. It can't be no goddamn big gap, bro. Like, nah. And it represent the British. Hell nah, man. We strive to be the best. You know what I mean? We don't strive for nothing less, and we don't care about what anyone gotta say. You get what I'm saying? We're just doing our own thing. It doesn't affect us. Words bounce off us. You know what I mean? We just got tunnel vision. Like, that's the whole play. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. Anyway, man, remember to freaking like, comment, share, subscribe. Bruh, Beanie, what you doing right now? Beanie, bruh. Anyway, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch up with you guys in the next video, man.